Ukraine and Sweden have signed an agreement for the production, repair and training of the Swedish-made Infantry Combat Vehicle 90, CV90. The cooperation declaration was announced on August 19 by Ukrainian President Volodymyr Zelensky in a press conference following his meeting with Swedish Prime Minister Ulf Kristersson. The main objective of this collaboration is to carry out joint production and repair of the CV90 combat vehicle, ranpur, within Ukraine. This marks a step towards mutual cooperation in defense and security, while reducing Ukraine's dependence on foreign shipments. Specific details of the CV90 model intended for production in Ukraine have not been disclosed. Initially, the CV90 ranpur was developed by Swedish company Alvis Hägglunds, now part of BAE Systems, which was introduced in the mid-1990s. The CV90 modular design allows it to be expanded to a variety of configurations, including infantry fighting vehicle, anti-aircraft, command and control, and more. Powered by a diesel engine, the CV90 has a maximum speed of 70 km per hour and a range of 320 km. The CV9040 variant is equipped with a 40mm Bofors autocannon and a coaxial 7.62mm M39 machine gun. Previously, Sweden had delivered around 50 CV9040 IFV units to Ukraine and had been used to fight against Russia in counterattack action in July 2023.